Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno7 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and select privacy section over here. Then you need to click on permission manager and select one of your device's features. I will go with location. Then pick one of your apps. We'll go with maps because it has a lot of options to show. So now you need to click on your app and select one of those. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so I have to click on this option over here, tap on the back button and swipe up. As you can see, maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just select one of your apps, scroll down if needed to, and just see all maps permissions. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!